Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in this bag. Now this is a padded bag for some reason. Not real sure. Never got one from a store in a padded bag. And if I have, it's been a hot moment. Alright, we have 2 stamped cross stitches. And this comes from the GBFKE store. And if they have any specials or any other discount codes, or if I have a discount code, it'll be right along here and in the description box below. So let's get rid of these scissors. I don't think I'll be needing those. And we'll look at the first one. Now these kits were sent to me. They were picked by the person that is representative for the company. So let's see what they picked. Let me get it out of a bag. As you can see, it's a Joy Sunday. It comes in the lovely Joy Sunday bag with all the instructions on the back. Let me flip it over easily. Isn't that cute? It says kittens. Now we only have one. Okay, I give up. But it looks like a cat, and he's out picking persimmons. It's 37 by 47, excuse me. And this one was $10.70. And it is a 14 count. Doesn't look like there's a whole bunch of back stitching. We're going to find out, but I think it's mainly in the cat, maybe on the persimmons. I'll have to get to the thing. So it has a big paper thing. Yeah, we're just highlighting. That's the top of the cat's head. Let's see. I'm going to see just a little bit kind of dashy here and there. So nothing too tremendous. You don't have to go around all these. But nice, big, huge pattern. Oh, and it's whiskers. So the paper pattern, we'll look at this in a second. Paper pattern goes on this side. And then the top of it, you turn it around, is the actual picture. So this is the top. And then you flip it around. And this is the bottom of it. Is there any on this side? Nope, there's just a picture. So it is 165 stitches by 217, 14 count, so you will only have to use 2 strands for your full stitch. This has 57 colors. It does have the key for the paper pattern at the top, and at the bottom this is the key on the actual cross stitch. So it only has full stitch and back stitch, 57 colors. We have 310 black. Not seeing anything I know. I'll stop when I do. Nope. And they're using that 3799, that pewter color. I can think what I wanted to say. And they're using B5200 for the white. You only have 3 different colors for the back stitch. They're using 310, 902, which is a dark red, and B5200. So very nice. At least it's simple. You know, it's not too bad at all. Nice big pattern. I can't get over how big that is. I think the pattern size is bigger than the actual crosses on the cross stitch. Okay, moving along. Let's take a look at the colors. Ooh, we got some reds and oranges, mostly orange. Get that separated there. So we have teals, kind of a, there's that, no it's not, I lied. This is that pewter gray. This is more of a going on the dark side of teal, kind of peach colors, kind of a mocha. There's your B5200. Then over here we have brighter oranges. So oranges and peaches. That oh, 9, oh, where is it? It's not on this card. That 902 is a kind of a brick red. I'll show it to you. It's right here. So you have 902, which is dark brick red. Then you have like a medium brick red. Then it goes more to a orangish, bittersweet color. So more oranges and yellows, turquoises. So you're going to have more blues and turquoise in this. And some greens, grays, and tans. But no 3371 or anything crazy. Yeah, we do. No, it's 3371. No 3371. Okay, just looking. But beautiful, beautiful colors. Kind of on the fall tone, you know, as far as I know. Look at that green. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness, with that orange. Oh, yep, this is going to be pretty. Put that up there. Let's take a look at the canvas. Canvas is kind of thin, but it is 14 count. I'm trying to figure out which way I got to go here. Just says kittens. Okie dokie, Minoki. I think something fell on my stash over there. On the other side, I heard it make a noise. Right, and let me fold it this way so you don't have to look through the canvas. See how small the key is here? So it's a good thing you have it printed on the paper pattern there. You can see the symbols okay, but the numbers are quite small. So I'm glad they decided to do that. Now I'm looking at this canvas and it does not look confettied. Do you see how the colors run in reverse? This is going to be full coverage. So you could just stitch forever. And some of the back stitching will help make the picture look good. But also the shading in the oranges and stuff will help bring it out without having to have a whole bunch of back stitching. So it's mainly in the cat, his whiskers, maybe the top of his fur. So yeah, I think it'll be neat. But all that shading and no confetti. Let's take a look and see how big it is. All right, 46.5 centimeters. Oops, I got drooling stuff here. 47.5 centimeters, or a little over 18.25 inches by 37 centimeters, or a little tiny bit over 14.5 inches. Actual picture size is, I can get everybody lined up, about 11.75 inches, or 30 centimeters by 39.5 centimeters, or 15.5 inches. So it's not too big, but that's a lot of stitching. It's full coverage, but there's bigger areas, so you won't have to stop and start so much, you know. So it'd be interesting to see how that looks. I'd like to start on one of the persimmons over here, you know, and do all that shading and see what one looks like. But yeah, very nice. Very nice. All right. Now the next one is a spring kit. It is 48 by 48, and it was $9.63. Let's get it out of its bag. Comes in that lovely plastic hardcover bag. This is wonderful for paperwork after you've finished the thing. And it stays snapped. It has a very nice, well-made snap. So you just snap it in there, and it's not going anywhere. So if you need paperwork put into an envelope, it's, what is that, 11 by 14? Let's take a look. No, it is about 9 inches by almost, oh well, it's like 12.75 inches. So yeah, it'll fit, like, I think it'll fit legal size paper in there. I haven't tried. I haven't got anything that's legal size, and not using those things these days. Whoop, sorry, I am having a trouble here. All right, this is a 14 count, and I'm trying to see if that's Egyptian cotton. And we have like a summerish picture. You got flowers. I believe those are supposed to be avocados and persimmons. And you have sunflowers and acorns and more flowers. I'm trying to pick things out. So it's not too big. It's 48 by 48, 170 by 170. That's what I started out looking for. It does come with a full page instructions on how to start, how to finish. And let's look at the paper pattern. Okay, so there's going to be some back stitching in this. This is the product number and how many squares per square. It has 28 total colors, so you only have cross stitch and back stitch. So you got 3 colors in back stitch and 25 colors in full cross. So just little elements, but it's like going around things. So that's not so bad. You don't have to pick and choose, and yeah, so that'll help. But yeah, I think it's pretty. So what colors do we have? We have a crew for the white. We have you have no 310 black. So I'm not sure what they're going to use for black. Maybe it doesn't even call for black. Nothing else that I know of. Nothing. Yep, nope. They're using 3799 for a dark brick red. Kind of odd. Kind of odd. But I guess the colors are going to be like a shade darker than, say, that brown or reddish color that... To get that up, it's getting out of control here. You know, that a different shade of that. I can't call what that is. Like an orangish brown. And like a dark brown in here around the flowers. Kind of a darker pink over here. So yeah, it'll be different. Different. Let's get those beautiful colors. Oh my goodness, it's an explosion. Oh, the Joy Sunday kit did come with 2 needles. Before I forget, we have 2 needles here. This is an 11 count. I lied. It's an 11 count. My bad. Oh my goodness. Thank goodness. It's an 11 count partial. Yay. Beautiful. Purples. Kind of celery green and kind of a paler celery green. There's your accrue. But lots of threads. Oranges, pinks, greens, browns. And then on this side. So it's all on one thread card. Thank goodness. Oh my goodness. Bright orange. Bright yellow orange. So whatever 27 and 28 are. So that's like a dark green. I'm trying to get it in the light. Dang it, come here. So, you can't even tell it's green until you get right on top of it. So it's a dark green. And that's kind of a very dark teal. So beautiful, beautiful colors. Just outstanding. Beautiful. So this will be bright and cheery. I think I'll save this for like February when I've had it with all the snow, you know. And just go from there. Let's get it. It has its own bag, which is nice. It keeps the canvas safe. I like that. Nice packaging, Spring Company. Let's get it opened here. Whoop. Did I say this was 48 by 48? So yeah, it's almost 50 centimeters. This is really heavy-duty material. So you only stitch where the colors are. So that's not too bad. No, I don't see any confetti at all. This is very straightforward stitching. Now, all they have is your full cross stitch. Right here, they do not have the back stitching printed on here. So, very nice. Which is fine, because I'm used to those kits that don't even have the back stitching printed on it. And some of those kits don't even call for back stitching. So, you know, as you wish. So we have 19 inches or 48 centimeters. Going this way, if I can get it there, is 47.5 or 18 3/4 inches. The actual picture size is little over 15 inches or 38.5 centimeters. Whoops, wrong side, kids. By 39 centimeters or a little over 15 1/4 inches. So it's not too bad. This is just pretty much straight stitching and then outlining like you would a color book. So that is much easier than I thought. Both of them, you know. Joy Sunday, you always expect the worst, and sometimes when it turns out you get the best, you know, that it's not so much back stitching. I like that. But as you can see, very clear, very seriously, very clear symbols. So they're very easy to see. You don't have to worry about mixing colors, just stitch. But yeah, it's going to take a hot moment to crunch that up because it's a fairly thick canvas, and both of these were serged around the edges, so very nice. Thank you, GBFKE. Now, if they have any specials or any discount codes, or if I have any, they will be at the beginning of the video and in the description box below. Now, GBFKE does have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. And I do believe they're having, most stores are kind of having a July sale, if they don't call it 4th of July sale. So do check them out. Thank you once again, GBFKE. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless.